Hey Jesse, give me a top 5 list of our most common repair jobs.
Huh. Well, I'd say at the top of the list is ring sizings. Over the course of anybody's life, you gain some weight or you lose some weight, and we either add a piece in or take a piece out, respectively. Probably number 2 would have to be prong repair. Prongs hold your stone in, and the tops of those prongs can wear down from wear and tear, and we build those back up with metal. And that leads into number 3, stone replacements. If those prongs wear down too thin, they can peel back, or you can catch a prong and oops, there goes the stone. So we replace stones. Next is probably reshanks. The shank is the base of your ring, and it will wear down over time and get thin. So we replace half to a third, give or take, and with a thicker piece comparable to the ring, and blend it in. And I guess, lastly, would be chain repair. The little links of anybody's chain rubbing together will wear down the metal, or accidents happen in sports, pets, babies, any number of ways the chain can break. So we piece it back together as best we can and make it look as seamless as possible. So, yeah, that keeps us kind of busy, or pretty busy, as a matter of fact. But yeah.
Okay, thanks.